I knew that would happen.
Gracie, what is
What's
that?
up, Mercedes? All I ever did to you guys was bathe you.
Go say hi.
Stop chewing on me.
Look at
Stop chewing on me.
Can't take it.
They are such little play balls.
What's that, Grace? Grace, what is that? What's that?
Dharma.
What's that, Grace?
Say hi to the baby.
She's like climbing me, eating me.
Stop.
What's
Baby.
this? What's this?
You
What is that? What is
Look
it?
at her wag her tail.
What is it?
Darby, play with the baby. Play with the baby.
Sweet.
Play
Oh,
with the babies.
Cute.
Don't you love them? Play with the babies, guys. Look at the babies.
Do you like that, Gracie?
Darby, look at Darby wags her tail. She looks at him.
Joey's like, oh, I don't know.
Joey is always scared of anything, and it's like.
Jordan, what's that?
And Joey and Mercedes are going to, during the day, go to my sister's husband's vet clinic and stay. What are you doing?
They're little crybabies. I'll warn you that right away.
She's had them since they were born.
Oh,
They're
really?
cats.
Well, since they were like 2 weeks.
Yeah, teeny.
Wow.
Darby, come
They were
here.
born here. Hi, Joey.
Good
Look at him. He's so funny. He's like a pappy on a moment.
Isn't he hilarious?
They are so cute.
I know. And these two are like dad's princesses.
Like
Huh?
Well, they are
But
pretty.
Joey don't know yet.
Jojo, get the baby. Get the baby.
That little not yet.
Are those pretty?
Her Mickey Frog.
I think this shirt is pretty much the cutest thing I've ever seen. Look at that.
You get each other. You fight.
You guys get to go together. This is gonna be so cool. You get to be together forever. Uh-huh. Well, when you come visit all the time. But I get to see you every day. I tell you, my dad and my sister's husband are like the best husbands in the world. Yes, you getting surprising mom,
That's because I'm your dad.
and then no.
So, Lynn's happy today. His birthday is in a month after, right after the day after the event. And he goes, well, if she brings an application over here, you tell her no. She's trying to get me a puppy for my birthday.
Oh.
They already have like 6 cats.